On my way around K-Show, I'm in search of the most innovative exhibitors on this show. I have an appointment with Tomás Herrmann of Herrmann Ultraschall. Hi, Mr. Herrmann.
Hello, Mr. Marshall. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. In bold letters, you have written a sentence on your exhibition booth that says, "Bonding more than materials." What do you mean with that?
Bonding more than materials? It is our purpose, our true purpose, our why.
What do you mean with why?
Why was defined by an American author, Simon Sinek. He says that most companies, they know what they do. Actually, almost everybody knows what they do. Many know how they do it, but only very few understand their why. Why do they do what they do? As the Herrmann team, we thought we really want to find out what is our true purpose? What is it? What makes us get up in the morning? What is our why?
Okay.
And our why, as we defined it, is bonding more than materials.
What is bonding exactly?
First, we make ultrasonic welding machines. So it's bonding of materials. But bonding is much more. The more important bonding is the bonding with each other. We as colleagues, as Herrmann, but also bonding with our customers, bonding with our suppliers, bonding with our partners. So in a nutshell, it's bonding more than materials.
Okay, that means, as a matter of fact, it's people being in the focus of your approach?
Exactly, and I will show you how.
All right.
Okay. As I said, our focus is on people.
Okay, what do you mean with that?
We have many genius minds. Some of them are here at the K-Show, like in our ultrasonic live lab, but most of them are traveling around the world to meet our customers' needs, to solve their ultrasonic welding application.
So that sounds to me as if they are listening exactly to your customers' demand, to your customers' questions. What do they do with this knowledge?
It's very important to us to understand the exact requirements of our customers. First of all, their application. We have more than 50 years application expertise in ultrasonic welding, but also their needs and requirements on their machines. So we like to know exactly what is the next generation machine our customers expect.
Okay.
We listened and we delivered.
Okay.
Right here at the K-Show, we show the next generation of our HiQ series. And I would really like to show you what we have to offer here.
Looking forward to that.
Okay. To me, this is the most ingenious ultrasonic welding machine on the market.
Okay.
It's actually the new benchmark.
Well, okay, saying that, you really need to deliver. What makes you so confident?
Yeah, more than 100 improvements went into this new machine series.
Okay.
And we can then summarize them in 4 categories. I would like to show you that.
Oh, okay.
The first category is our ingenious design. Form and function are united. Clean design for intuitive handling, ergonomically arranged control elements, and a self-explaining visualization of all work steps help the operator in his daily work. Second, our ingenious software, the digital twin. The new HiQ is the first series-produced premium ultrasonic welding system which also possesses the flexibility of a customized machine. Additional sensors, actuators, and complex accessories can be integrated into the machine cycle via a simple configuration. The third is our ingenious workstation, the machine that thinks for you. Man and machine work together, hand in hand, for perfect results and reduced rejects. Illuminated indicators and a display in the machine base provide information about the machine status, part counters, and much more. The user interface of the controller software can be adapted individually to the various requirements of the operator. The fourth category is our ingenious tool change. It's simple, safe, and fast. The new generation of HiQ supports a tool change with a sophisticated assistant. RFID-coded tools activate the corresponding weld program automatically. Tool change has never been simpler and safer.
Okay, got that. So in the very beginning you told me about your focus on people. In the second part I learned from you about your technology focus. So what is really in the center of your approach?
We need both. Our customers need our technology, our machines in their production. But much more important are the people behind it. our ingenious minds. And I can tell you, I'm very proud of my team.
And it feels like that. Thank you very much for having us and for letting us have a look behind the scenes at Herrmann Ultraschall. Thank
Thanks
you so
a lot.
much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.